Hello, how are you doing today? Today is an exciting day. We got a package, except for this guy right here. She is just excited to open this package from Amazon. So if you're interested on that, stay tuned and then we'll check this out. Looking for a laptop backpack for men that is somewhat a business travel backpack that fits your computer with USB, this is your laptop. And then we'll go and check this out. Sophia, mama. So they reach out to me and then we're going to check this out. This is really a genuine unboxing that we have, and then what we have is a bag inside. Ta-da! Woo-hoo-hoo. So this one is really nice. Let's see what's inside. So far so good. You like? She approves already on this one, but I'll just make sure that I'm not going to nick it or anything like that. Wow, so this one is a laptop bag that they have, and it's from Lugarts, Lugarts, and then we'll explore it together. What are the things on here? And then yeah, so I'll put it up for you guys. I'll tuck it all in. There you go. Okay. So this is how it looks like. And then this is the professional digital business bag. So we will see what they have. I like this one because there's a lot of compartments. So on here in the front, we do have a lot of compartments. It is good for school, for a one-day trip that you're going to have, business type of thing. And then you also have another packet on here, another packet, and then the main one is on here, so which is nice because it's roomy. And then it also has the safety latch that you can put your laptop in it or anything. So it would be looking like that. I really like the color because the color is black and gray. And then, this is really exciting. And then on the side, we do have another packet. Let's see what's inside. Oh, and then also your, this one is so you can put your battery bank on here because you do have you open this. You do have the socket on here on this side. Let's figure it out together how. Oh, okay, so you just lift it up and then there you go. We're gonna try this out today if this is going to work out. So you need to have your battery pack for you to do that. And then on the other side, I love this because there's a lot of packets. You do have another packet on here. You can put a water bottle or anything like that. A small water bottle. And then this is the back of it. And then it's soft. It has a cushion on that. Anyways, and then they do have a back packet too. Oh, cool. And then it's cushiony. So that's good. And then if you want to put something inside, and then there's this guard that will help it too. Another one is there's a lot of packets on this one. There's a lot of compartments. There's another one. You can put another laptop on here. I think it can fit 17 inches of a laptop. And then this is how it looks like when you put it on ya. So it's really nice. It's not too big, it's not too small. It is sturdy, it's versatile. Of course, you can carry this one as your business backpack. You can do this one for the travel, overnight backpack type of thing, work backpack. So those are the things that you can use this one for. This one has the external USB, like I said, on the side. And you're charging. And here's Sophia, she wants it. She approves. Sophia, I'm busy. Move, 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 move. And then it's padded, like I said, with a mesh padded on here, if you're going to look on there. And then this is water resistant and tear resistant. So this one is 13 inches in length, 7.10 width, and then 18.1 height of this one. And then this one can it is 1.1 kilogram. So the good thing about this one, now I know what it is this one for. This one is good for when you do have your luggage and then you're going to put it on top of the luggage so that everything is secured. I'm going to show you that after this. This one is from Amazon and it was like $35.99. So far so good, I really love it. And then we'll check if how is this going to work out. This is really cool because you do have the USB or the port. It has a USB charging port. So what do you think of this one? This is a really nice backpack that you can have. And then the size is really nice and really good. There's a lot of pockets, like I said, that you can have. It is really versatile. So what do you think of this particular laptop bag that you could have for only less than $35? How is that? Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you really like this video of unboxing video that we have for you guys. Sophia approves it. I liked it too. And let us know, comment below, subscribe now, and follow us. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo and Seth channel. Do what makes you happy. Bye.